Hello, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Meiki extension tubes and giving some examples. By the way, we are joined today by Nora, my daughter's central bearded dragon. The tubes come in a nice retail box, and inside we have the two tubes in a plastic bag, a moisture absorption packet, a certification ticket, and a brief information sheet in English on one side and Chinese on the other. The units are solid plastic and metal construction, with a black plastic cap for both ends when they are joined together. The caps are stamped with the open position and an arrow pointing to the lock position, the brand name, and the size, which in this case is E-mount. On the side of the barrels we have the company name Meiki, the product name MK-S-AF3A, and the size, either 10mm or 16mm. There is a release button for when you want to remove the tube from the camera. Lastly, it has the connection pins, but no rubber gaskets. Today I'll be using my Sony a6400 camera, along with the Sony 18-105 f4G lens. This lens has a minimum focusing distance of 45cm on the wide end and 95cm on the telephoto end. To take these photos, I set the camera to manual focus, turned focus peaking on, set the aperture to f4, and then I brought the camera towards Nora until the closest part of her was in focus, which in most of these examples is the tip of her snout. The following are a few more examples. The photos were taken basically in the same manner, only this time I focused mostly around her eye, which may not have been the closest point to the lens. While you're looking at these photos, let me just remind you that your results may vary. It all depends on the lens that you use. Each lens comes with its own minimum focusing distance, so these are just examples based on my 18-105 lens. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've liked this video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button. I'd be very grateful also if you could subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so.